Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Wally, and I'm really happy you're here today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Sam. Thanks for joining us and spending a little time practicing English.
Today's topic is very simple, but very important. We're going to talk about your day.
Yes, daily life English, the kind of English you use every day without thinking too much.
If you're learning English at A1 or A2 level, this episode is perfect for you.
And if you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, let's begin. So, let's start with the morning. Wally, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
The first thing I do in the morning, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. Very common, very natural.
After I wake up, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Brush my teeth, wash my face. Simple sentences, but very useful.
Then I eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat a quick breakfast. My quick breakfast is a banana.
That's a great example. My quick breakfast is a banana. Easy English, real life English. After breakfast, what do you do?
I go to work. I work in an office.
Go to work. I go to work. You can also say, I start work at 9 a.m.
Yes, exactly. I start work at 9 a.m.
During the day, I also study English.
That's great. I study English in the afternoon.
If you can say that sentence, you're doing really well. You're improving already.
At lunchtime, I say, I have lunch at 1 p.m.
I have lunch at 1 p.m. Very natural sentence. Now, let's talk about the evening.
In the evening, I go home.
Go home. I go home in the evening.
When I get home, I relax.
Relax. That's an important word. I relax in the evening.
Sometimes I watch TV or listen to music.
That sounds nice. In the evening, I relax and watch TV.
At night, I eat dinner.
And after dinner?
After dinner, I go to bed at 11 p.m.
I go to bed at 11 p.m. Perfect. So, let's say the whole day, nice and simple.
I wake up at 7 a.m., I eat a quick breakfast, I go to work, I have lunch, I go home, I relax, I go to bed.
That's it. A full day in English.
And notice the sentences are short. Simple English works best.
Today you learned how to talk about your day in English.
Wake up, eat breakfast, go to work, relax, go to bed.
Try to use these sentences tomorrow, even just one or two.
Now, we want to hear from you.
What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Tell us in the comments. Even one short sentence is perfect.
You're doing great. Keep going.
See you next time.
Bye, and keep learning English.